Meaning of dissipation.
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 Dissipation. Dissipation refers to the process of wasting or dispersing energy, resources, or efforts in an inefficient way. It is often associated with the idea of something gradually fading away or losing its intensity over time. The result of dissipation can be a sense of emptiness or depletion, as well as a lack of tangible progress or achievement. In a broader sense, it can also refer to the breakdown and dispersion of complex systems or structures. Ultimately, dissipation can lead to a loss of potential and a failure to reach desired goals or outcomes.